Alright guys, this will be the nonsensical card trick performance tutorial and review video. This is a trick that Michael taught on Wednesday, the free time trick. I'll just be doing it because Michael isn't here right now, so I'll just do it for him since I know how to do it also. So to start out, what I need to do is you can just shuffle the cards, or I'll shuffle the cards as much as you'd like, and just go ahead and tell me when to stop whenever you'd like. Right there, alright. So we'll stop stop shuffling right there. And now I'm going to need to deal on 26 cards, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Alright, so I have 26 cards. Flip this over, place them right here. Alright. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to flip over the top cards of each pile. Wait, let me make sure I have the jokers out here. Making sure I had the jokers out. Alright, so place those right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to flip over the top card of this deck. I can even give them a shuffle if you want. And I'm going to flip over the top card in this pile from this deck, or this pile I have in my hand. And if it's a face card, that'll equal 10. And all face cards equal 10, 10 equals 10. And depending on what card it is, I will deal down as many cards as I need to add to that value to make it equal 10. So I'll show you what I mean. So 3, alright, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And ace. Aces are 1, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Only got one card left. We'll place that on the top of the deck. Alright, so now let's see what card, let's see if I can try to find out what the card is. So let's see, so we got 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 1 equals 8. So I'm going to try to find out what the 8th card down is. So just by looking at this, I think I can tell what it is. Since there are 2 red cards here, I'm guessing it's a red card. And since both of these are diamonds, I'm going to guess it's a heart. And since 4 minus 3 equals 1, plus an ace, which is 1 in this case, equals 2, I'm guessing that the 8th card down, because 3 plus 4 plus 1 equals 8, I'm guessing that the 8th card down will be the 2 of hearts. Alright? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8th card down is the 2 of hearts. Alright? So that's the trick. Now I'll show you how to do it. Alright? So to start out with the trick, the spectator can shuffle the cards as much as they'd like. This is a completely self-working trick, which is really awesome. And they can shuffle the deck. You can shuffle the deck if they trust you. And to start the trick, you need to make sure that you remove your jokers and make sure you only have 26 cards. And then 52 cards, excuse me. Get rid of the jokers. Make sure you have 52 cards in the deck. And then what you need to do is you deal down 26 cards, and as you're dealing them down, and you deal them down face up, and as you're dealing them down, you memorize the 7th card down. 7th card you deal. So you say, alright, I'm going to deal on 26 cards, or a pile of 26 cards. You say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm memorizing the 4 of hearts, and I keep going. Don't stop, though. You just keep on going. So 7, 4 of hearts. I'm remembering the 4 of hearts. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 6. Okay, so you say, okay, I got my 26 cards. Remembering the 4 of hearts, or I am. And then you say, alright, and you explain what you're going to do. You explain, alright, now I'm going to deal down cards, or flip over the top card in this pile, and face cards equal 10. I'm going to try to, depending on what the value of the card is, I will add or deal that many cards down on top of it to make it the value equal or add up to 10. Alright, so you'll be like, just say, or you can just say, okay, you'll just see when I explain it, because it's, or once I do it, because it's kind of hard to explain it to them. So you say 7, so 8, 9, 10. You go 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 black 7s, and ace, so that's 1. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And what you do with the leftover cards, you just place them on top of the pile, 26. And if you did it correctly, it should always work. And then what you need to do here is you just make up some random story, which is a little bit hard sometimes. So what you can do for this one is you can just say, alright, so I'm going to try to find out what, I'm going to try to find out what the 15th card down is. So 7, because you can say 7 plus 7 equals 14 plus 1 equals 15. So I'm going to try to find out what the 15th card down is, alright? So, since the 7 plus, so since there are two black cards, you could say, I'm guessing that the card, the 15th card, will be a red card. And since 7 plus 1, since the average of 7 and 1 is 4, and the only suit that's missing, you can just make up some story. The only suit that's missing is hearts, because you have clubs, spades, diamonds, but no hearts. So I'm guessing it's a heart. And yeah, since 7 plus 1 is 8, and the average of these two cards is 4, I'm guessing that the 15th card down will be the 4 of hearts, and then you just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and the 15th card is the 4 of hearts. So I hope you guys like the trick. Practice that one if it's your favorite for the show, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.